Looking to enhance your shooting experience under low light or nighttime conditions? Night vision clip-on scopes are the secret weapon to see clearly when the sun goes down. And today, we're comparing some of the top contenders. From advanced infrared illuminators to high-definition imaging, these devices promise to elevate your optics game. But which one stands out from the crowd? Let's dive into the best night vision clip-on scopes available right now. 5-part FD1 Night Vision Scope. Starting off strong with the PARD FD1 Night Vision Scope, this clip-on device brings a lot to the table, featuring a 1920x 1080 CMOS sensor and an OLED display with 1440x 1080 resolution. It ensures clear, sharp images even in low-light environments. The built-in 850 infrared illuminator extends your detection range up to 350 meters in complete darkness, making it suitable for hunters and shooters who need precision. What sets this apart is the integrated laser rangefinder that measures distances up to 1,200 meters, assisting in accurate ballistic calculations. The PARD FD1 is also Wi-Fi enabled, allowing for streaming and recording via the PARD Vision app. And it's lightweight at just 328 grams, adding minimal weight to your setup. Although the detection range in total darkness is limited to 350 meters, and the infrared illuminator can sometimes create a faint red glow, it's a small price to pay for its overall functionality. The quick mount design allows for easy attachment and detachment without the need to reach freeze up, and its rugged IP67 waterproof construction ensures durability. All in all, if you're seeking a compact and reliable solution, the PARD FD1 is a top contender. Pros: high-resolution display, adjustable infrared range, Wi-Fi streaming, lightweight design. Cons: 350-meter detection range, slight red glow from infrared requires a compatible smartphone for Wi-Fi. 4. Oneleaf.ai Commander NV100 Digital Night Vision Goggle. Next, we have the Oneleaf.ai Commander NV100, a versatile clip-on monocular that takes your daytime optics to the next level. Powered by a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor, this device offers 1080p Full HD resolution, ensuring clear and crisp images even when the light is scarce. The 850 infrared illuminator has 6 adjustable power levels, extending the range up to 328 yards in complete darkness. The Commander NV100 offers both daytime color mode and night vision mode, making it adaptable to different lighting conditions. It's built for comfort with long eye relief and customizable diopter and focus adjustments. Plus, it supports FHD video recording with slow motion capabilities, perfect for capturing every moment. With a rechargeable Samsung 18650 battery, providing up to 6 hours of continuous operation, it's a reliable choice for long hunting sessions. However, it does have a limited detection range of 328 yards, which may not meet the needs of those seeking longer range capabilities. Despite this, its compact size and ease of attachment to your rifle scope make it a valuable tool for night hunters. Pros: high-definition Sony sensor, adjustable infrared power, FHD video recording, long eye relief. Cons: limited to 328 yards in total darkness, requires a compatible scope for attachment, may produce a faint red glow from infrared. 3. PARD NV7 SPLRF Night Vision Monocular. The PARD NV7 SPLRF Monocular stands out with its impressive features and compact design. This rear-mount clip-on device has a high sensitivity 2560 x 1440 CMOS sensor that offers excellent clarity, and the 1024 x 768 OLED display provides sharp, precise visuals. The built-in 850 infrared illuminator extends the detection range to 200 meters in complete darkness, with an adjustable focus to suit various environments. But where this product truly excels is its integrated laser rangefinder, which measures up to 1,200 meters, allowing you to adjust your reticle's point of impact for enhanced accuracy. It also has Wi-Fi streaming and recording capabilities through the PARD Vision app, and its lightweight 265-gram design makes it easy to mount and remove without renewing your primary scope. It's IP67 waterproof rating and 6000 J recoil resistance ensure that it's built for tough conditions. While the 200-meter detection range is shorter than some other models, the device's overall functionality and ease of use make it a solid option for hunters looking for accuracy and convenience. Pros: clear display, integrated rangefinder, Wi-Fi connectivity, lightweight design, durable build. Cons: 200-meter detection range, limited range in darkness. Requires a smartphone for Wi-Fi features. 2. Armasight COMR Gen 3 Pinnacle Night Vision Clip-on Scope. The Armasight COMR Gen 3 Pinnacle is a high-performance clip-on scope that takes night vision to the next level. This device is powered by a Generation 3 Pinnacle image intensifier tube, providing exceptional image clarity with a minimum figure of merit, FOM, of 2,376. The Ghost White phosphor technology enhances contrast and detail, giving you a more natural viewing experience. It's designed for use with day scopes up to 12x magnification with a 1x magnification and a 12 DEG field of view. The quick detach Picatinny mount allows for easy attachment and removal without affecting your scope's zero, and it's factory bore-sighted for better than 1 MOA accuracy. The COMR is durable with recoil resistance up to .5 caliber and an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. Powered by either a CR123A or AA battery, it offers up to 40 hours of use. Though it comes at a higher price point, its superior image quality and reliability make it well worth the investment for serious hunters and shooters. Pros: high-resolution Gen 3 Pinnacle tube, Ghost White phosphor technology, quick detach Picatinny mount, durable and weather-resistant. Cons: expensive, requires a compatible Picatinny rail for mounting, shorter battery life in cold conditions. 1. Armasight Co-LR clip-on night vision for long range. Finally, the Armasight COLR clip-on night vision system is the ultimate game changer for long-range shooting and hunting. Featuring a Gen 3 Bravo Green Phosphor Image Intensifier Tube IIT, it provides outstanding image quality with a resolution of 57 to 64 LP/mm. This clip-on device is designed for easy mounting onto a standard Picatinny rail without tools, and it preserves your rifle's eye relief and zero, ensuring a seamless shooting experience. It extends your effective range up to 1,000 yards with its detachable long-range infrared illuminator, making it perfect for hunters and tactical operators who need to spot targets at a distance. The COLR also includes a wireless remote control for convenience, and its rugged waterproof housing ensures durability in harsh environments. With up to 45 hours of battery life and quick, tool-free mounting, this device offers top-tier performance without compromise. For those who need the best of the best, the COLR stands as the winner of this comparison, offering unparalleled long-range capability, ease of use, and ruggedness. Pros: long-range capabilities, Gen 3 Bravo IIT, detachable infrared illuminator, wireless remote, rugged build, 45-hour battery life. Cons: requires a compatible Picatinny rail, possible battery drain with infrared use, may require optics adjustment. And the winner is... After comparing all these incredible devices, the Armasight COLR clip-on night vision for long range takes the crown. With its unbeatable long-range performance, rugged design, and user-friendly features, it's the clear choice for anyone serious about their nighttime shooting capabilities. Whether you're a hunter, tactical operator, or shooting enthusiast, this device won't let you down. Let me know in the comments which night vision clip-on scope you think is the best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews like this. All the links are in the description below.